In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Fotor quickly and easily, even if you've never used the editor before. Whether you want to change a headline, fix a typo, update a quote, or completely replace the text on your design, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your design in Fotor and go to the canvas where your text is located. Once you can see the design, click directly on the text box you want to edit. When you click it, Fotor will select that text element so you can make changes to it. You'll usually notice the text box become active, which tells you the editor is ready for the next step. Now, double-click inside the text box to activate text editing mode. This is the part that lets you change the actual words, not just move the text around on the page. If the words are highlighted, that means you're in the right place and ready to type. Next, highlight the existing words or simply press backspace if you want to remove them completely. Then type your new text right away. Take your time here and make sure the wording looks exactly how you want it, because this is the content that will appear in your final design. If you only need to fix one word or change a short phrase, you can edit just that section instead of deleting everything. That makes the process faster and more efficient, especially when you're working on multiple designs. After you've entered the new text, use the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen to customize the look. Here, you can change the font to match your design style, adjust the size so it fits properly, and change the color if you want the text to stand out more. You can also adjust spacing, alignment, and text effects depending on the layout you're creating. This is a really useful step because even a small formatting change can make your design look much more polished and professional. If the text feels too crowded or too large, just tweak the settings until it fits cleanly inside the design. Once everything looks good, click anywhere outside the text box on the canvas to save the changes. This tells Fotor that you're finished editing that text element and your updates will stay in place. At this point, you can review the full design and make any final adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit text in Fotor in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.